Ecological succession. The ecological succession means a series of changes in an area with an increase in the species, plants, animals, etc. It is a gradual process by which ecosystems change and develop over time. When forest area has been lost due to wildfire, within a year small plants and bacteria grow in that area, and within 10 to 15 years it may be converted again into a forest. This process of converting a land into a forest ecosystem can be defined as the ecological succession. So there are two major types of ecological succession. One is primary succession and the other one is the secondary succession. Coming to the primary succession, the primary succession means the species and the living beings grow for the first time. The land may be unfertile, the soil may not be formed properly, and there might not be proper climatic conditions. So, before millions of years, when only rocks are present on the earth, due to weathering, the rocks are converted into soil, and for the first time, the ecological succession has taken place, and that is called the primary succession. When the ecological succession took place for the first time, then that is called the primary succession. And whenever the ecological successions took place for the first time in an area, it is called the primary succession. In this case, see here, look at this figure over here. This is a lava field of Iceland covered with mosses. So the lichens and mosses are the first life forms which colonize the barren lands. And from here, the forest and the other ecological ecosystems will start. So here in this primary succession, the growth is very slow and it may take for some thousands of years for the species to grow. And the second type is the secondary succession. So in this type of succession, the growth rate is generally fast. In this type of succession, the plants and animals would already been existed, and due to the natural calamities like forest fires or man-made disasters, it might be turned into a barren land. When the ecological succession takes place on these barren lands, or for the second time or after the primary succession, it is called the secondary ecological succession. In this case, the species recolonize within few years. They take very less time to grow when compared to the primary succession.